Just 1 minute, I'm sharing the screen. Okay. So 1 minute, let me share the screen. Yeah. Okay. So can you see now? Yes. So now here, did we complete our 21 steps yesterday?
Sir, we are able to see the
Yes,
notepad only.
no.
Yeah, now we're able to see
Okay,
the
I'm sharing
full
the
screen, sir,
screen.
but it's taking time.
Yes, sir, now it's okay.
Because I have internet issue, I have logged in through mobile. So maybe it will be slow today.
Yes, sir. Now we're able
You
to
are
see
able
a
to
full
see now?
screen. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we created na yesterday. What is that one? We
Price
created
cuts.
like
Enterprise structure done.
mm, okay. Yes. Okay. Company code what ours is ZAPL na? This slowness is also because of internet only. Mm. I don't think this will work, guys. Mm. Mhm. See, already everything created, right? We did the basic enterprise structure. Okay. So now, suppose I am trying to, here what will happen is, here, if I'm trying, if so I'll show you the accounts. Suppose if I'm going to FS double zero, okay. You know FS double zero? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here, create, na? Create. So here, suppose I want to create some account. I want to create like rent.
For company code,
I want to
what's
create like rent. Company code is what? ZAPL, na?
yes, sir.
Okay. So now you are in S4 or is ECC?
It's just for some.
S4.
No,
So here I got it like this. So here the screen differences I will show you. What you are seeing here. Now in ECC you will see P&L and balance sheet, no?
yes,
Here what you are seeing. Can you see any P&L balance sheet here?
No, sir.
Hmm. See here we have that account type. That is account type. Account type separate one column is there. Separate field is correct. In ECC, can you see ECC screen now? My ECC screen.
No,
Yes,
sir.
no?
No.
It's
Yeah,
yes, sir.
now, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, suppose I am creating some account, yeah? Some account. So here when you are creating some account, here you are able to see na P&L balance sheet, right? These two
Yes.
check buttons, can you see radio buttons?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see? Yeah.
Yes.
But that radio buttons you don't have there, na?
Yes, sir.
But that
Yes.
radio buttons, do you have in S4?
HANA.
If
No,
you
sir.
remove. So is there radio buttons here?
No.
Can you see
Mm.
my S4 screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Radio buttons are there or not there?
Not
Not
there.
there.
Not there. So that has been included. Many options we got now. Account type, yeah? This one. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So balance sheet. Now balance sheet remained balance sheet, but P&L they have been divided into 4 types. P&L accounts, now we have 4 types. In P&L, 4 types. What are they? Primary cost and revenue, non-operating expense, cash account, and secondary cost. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now GL account type, how many options we have in ECC
Only two.
account type? GL account type we have only 2 options. Okay, GL account type we have only 2 options. Okay, GL account type we have only. Okay, but just 1 minute. I think we lost. You lost me again. Just 1 minute. You are able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So note down GL account types. Note down how many types we have. Note down. So in S4 HANA, we have GL account type balance sheet. We have cash account, non-operating expense or income, primary cost or revenues, secondary cost, and balance sheet. Now you tell me this rent, what group it will go?
Secondary costs.
Where it will go?
Primary costs.
Secondary cost.
This rent is secondary, ma. That's what we learned in ECC. Rent expense is a secondary cost.
No.
Hmm?
Primary
So primary.
cost. Primary cost.
4 lakh
But
account
it's
we are creating. Rent 4 lakh. Primary or secondary?
Primary, sir.
When,
Actually, we are using for operating purposes.
when we
Ah.
convert to cost element, we use primary.
When you convert to cost element, what will happen?
We use primary, like 0 C element.
It is a primary, right? Okay. So here what you understood, when you are creating the GL itself, you are deciding whether it is primary or secondary. When you are creating the GL itself, you are creating it as a cost element. See, in ECC, what we were doing, we can create the GL account. Later on, you can create it as a cost element. No? Here in S4, we are creating at the same time. Understand? So, your FI and CO, they are more close. So, here in ECC, FI you do separately, then you can bring in CO. But in S4, now, can I create a GL account as a normal without any cost element? Is
No,
it possible? Not possible. So at the time of creation of GL itself, you are making it a cost element. Is it clear? See, in ECC also normally when you are doing project, no, we don't create GLs first and again make them cost element. No, we don't do like that. Understand? We will create them as cost element at the same time. Okay? Yeah.
But
Right.
for secondary cost, we don't create a GL, right? I mean that's the concept, right? We don't need a GL.
Huh.
We create the cost element.
Correct. Correct. True. Yes. But now what was happening was there was no control on the secondary cost element. Now, what number, who is creating, whatever number you can give, correct? There was no control. Now they streamlined it. Secondary also you can create here with a if there is streamline, you see, there is no control. Whatever you want to you give is not correct. No? So they streamline it as a separate account as a secondary cost. Is it clear? So secondary also you can create here only, and we can create systematical. Correct. So secondary cost element also you are creating as a GL account with a systematic series. Okay.
Okay.
So now can I create without doing CO part? Can I create any GLs now in S4? No. Right. So we are creating the GLs at the same time you are creating them as a cost element. Okay. Yeah. Now, so this is important to understand all this because tomorrow when you are working now, you don't know where you will work. Na?
Yes,
So
sir.
you may work on ECC, you may work on S4. Correct? Still they extended, na? They have extended ECC up to 2030,
Oh,
2030. They
before
extended
it was 27, sir.
27. Now they are charging something and they have extended to 2030.
Okay.
Okay. So still the companies may still exist on ECC for a while now. So you never know where you will work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now this is the I'm selecting which one I should select now?
Primary
Primary.
cost.
Primary. So I'm giving the group. What type of group it is? You tell me.
Expense.
Expense.
Expense. Okay. So when I'm giving no, like this rent expense, I'm giving like this. Rent expense account. See, you see, it has made a system. No, there is no like whatever you give, whatever numbers are. It's not like that. They have streamlined it. Correct. Everything streamlined. Yeah. So rent expense. Rent expense. I'm creating account. Yeah. Now you go to control data. You go to control data here cost element option will come. Okay. Once you define your controlling area, yeah, cost element options will come. So here we need to create the controlling area also simultaneously. Okay. So tell me the controlling area steps, guys.
KP.
So FI enterprise structure we created. CY enterprise structure we have to do, no? Yeah, tell me what is the first step?
Okay, KP.
Okay, KP. So I'm doing them together, yeah? Okay, KP. Come on. So what is this one? New entries and I'm creating my controlling area. Okay. My controlling area is ZAPL. Okay. Name of the controlling area. This is my ZAPL controlling area. Okay. Then company code is what? Cross company code. Controlling area same as company code. Okay. Let me select the first one. Currency type I will select 10. Same. Everything is same.
Company code currency.
When I press enter, it will come now automatically. Yeah, then you create a hierarchy here, remember?
Yes, ZAPL.
ZAPL.
Stan. CCSTDH.
Correct? You create, no? Press enter, it will ask, should I create? Yes. Any difference, guys?
No, sir.
Anything different? No. Next, what I do?
Assign of company codes.
Assignment of company codes. Yes, you click on yes. What is the company code we have?
ZAPL.
ZAPL we have. Correct? Okay, save it. Next.
Active
Next, what
components
I
and
do?
control indicators.
Active components and control indicators. Okay, press enter. Then you click on activate components and control indicators. New entries. Come on, what you give, guys? Tell me. 2025.
2025.
Okay.
Last
4, na?
semester.
We are in last year,
Uh,
na? As per system, na? So
Yes.
better not take chance. Okay. Next.
And
Active.
active,
Active.
check.
Active. Order management active. Commitment management active. Correct?
project.
Okay.
Yes.
Activity based active. Oh, not required, right? No. Okay. Then project management, sales order,
Sales
cost
order,
object.
cost objects, review.
Yeah. Okay. Select all these. Then you save.
Hmm.
Over, no? So my step number 1 completed. Okay,
Okay.
KP as it is.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next, what I do?
KNK number range for CO.
Number range I will go, no? Slash n k n k I go. Okay. Okay. It should be there, guys. Don't know why. Okay. Mm, okay. Maybe this should be there. This is a part of this is not S4 HANA related. This should be there. Okay, let us go ahead with the third step. Okay, EQ, let's go. Let us system come back and tell us. Let us see. Third step, I am going. Okay, EQ. Okay, here what I do, guys, tell me.
Select 0 version.
Zero version. Then what you do?
Controlling area settings.
Controlling area settings.
Select
Zero version.
switch
Then
settings for each fiscal year.
fiscal year. Then
2025.
here new entries.
24.
Yeah, fiscal year 2024
P20.
we are giving. Copying allowed.
M.
Exchange rate type M. Correct. Enter. Press enter. Already exists. 24 is there, it seems. Wrong controlling area. Wrong controlling area. What should I do?
Okay,
Okay, KS. Remove this controlling area, put our control. Correct? Fine. Next, what I do? Okay, EQ. Okay, select zero version. Select zero version. Click on controlling area settings. Select zero version settings for fiscal year. So 2025 is already there. 24 I will create. Okay. To be on safe side. New entries. I'll give for 2024. Copying allowed. Exchange rate type M I give. Enter. Save it. Over. Next. I need to talk about my profit center part also. No? Okay. Let me go back. Go back. Select this. Go back. One more step. Then I go this. Settings for profit center accounting. No? New entries. What is that I am giving? Year 2025 online transfer. Line items, exchange rate type M.
24, sir.
Okay, 24 and 25 both I give. In case if it is not there. We are in the middle, na crossing.
M.
M and M also.
So, similarly, settings for each fiscal year for 2025.
Yeah.
In controlling area settings and settings for each fiscal area.
We have done it, na?
For 2024, we did, sir. 2025, we didn't.
5 is also there. It was there already. That's why I did not. So if you go to OKEQ, if you go to OKEQ, select this controlling area settings. Na? When I select this, settings for each fiscal year, here 24, 25, both are there.
Yeah.
So 25 was already there. That's why I did not. Okay. Yeah. Now let us try once again K and K. What is happening with this K and K? Why this problem is coming? Okay, let us go ahead. Now I'm going to create the GLs, no? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
now there are like suppose I am creating my GLs now, no FS doubles. So I'm creating my GL. I will create my first GL account. Okay. Okay. I will create my something like rent or share capital account. Okay. Share capital account. I will create. Okay. My share capital account. Okay. Come on. My group is what now? My group is balance sheet. What is this one? This is liabilities, right? Okay. What is the name of the account?
Share capital.
Share capital account. This is my share capital. Okay. Then go to control data. Only balances. What you do? Line item, you see, line item is done away. There is no line item now. Means, see, generally for all the things they were selecting line item, yeah? For everything they were selecting line item. Then why again give separately? So by default, line item will be there. Is that clear? Okay. So now here sort key. What is a sort key now?
Zero,
On
zero,
what
one.
basis? Date wise. Yeah, date wise. Okay, select date wise. Then you go to create bank interest. What is my field status for bank for share capital G00?
300.
1 general. Okay, press enter and save. Correct? Okay, you see now? It's coming. Save it. So I created my share capital account. Now I want to create my bank account. What should I do again? Create
Date 2 lakh.
bank account 2 lakh. 2 lakh account, press enter. Then I will go to my account type,
Balance sheet.
balance
Balance
sheet
sheet.
only. Account group is what? Assets only, right? Yeah, what is this one? This is my HDFC bank account. Okay, then you go to control data, then balances in local currency. Then what I do? Sort key. No line item display, not there. So select 001, create bank interest tab, field status group G005 and relevant to cash. Okay, save it. So I created one more GL. Na? Correct. Good. Next, I want to create rent expense. This is important. So click on create now rent expense. What is the number? 4 lakh. This is the cost element. No? Now you see the difference. No, when I am giving no here account type is what? It is my primary cost or revenue. Yeah. So I am creating with the cost element. Yeah. Okay. What is my group expenses? What is this one? Rent expense account. Okay. This is my rent expense. Okay. Let's go to control data. Here one important difference you will see. Can you see this? Cost element required. Understand? So when you select here, when you select your primary cost and revenue, this field will come automatic. Okay, let me see. Only balances I want to take. Then sort key I want to give 001. Then when I come down, no? So when I try to go forward, what it is saying? What it is saying here, it is struck here. See this? Right? Is it required here? Yes. So without giving cost element category, can I create this account now? No. So what category? This is the rent.
Primary.
Primary, right? Remember?
Yes,
This
sir.
cost element creation. So I am creating it as a cost element at the time of creating the GL. Is it clear? Okay. So for rent, for bank and share capital, it did not ask, no?
Yes.
Did it ask this? No. Only for P&L and primary cost only it will ask. Is it clear? Okay. Then you go to create bank interest. What is the group here? Cost group, na G004.
Four.
Is it clear? So now previously I was doing in bits and pieces. Na? First GL, then this, then this. They are all detached. Now they are all come to one place, systematic. Okay, so I am creating the cost element at the time of GL. It has been the options have come into your GL only. Here you see these options are coming in the GL only separate. So previously we used to have one button here, edit cost element button. Correct or not? That option
Yes,
is done away. Now it is brought into your GL account itself. Okay, guys. So if someone asks you, can you tell me what differences we can see in GL account in S4? What differences are there, guys?
At the time of creating itself, cost element has to be fixed out.
Yeah, good. Next, if it is a primary and a revenue primary cost element, you have to give the cost element category and you have to give it as a cost element at the time. Yeah,
Yes.
next.
GL account
Yeah,
types
account
spread as
types they have increased. No, previously account types only two.
now it is
P
5.
and L balance sheet. Now we have we have
Five.
five. We have five. And then secondary cost element we are creating as a GL account itself. We are line item display not there. Correct. Is it clear? Okay. Save it. Some changes here and there they have brought up. Okay, guys. Right. That's it. So I created rent also now. Now.
So revenue
Now
account
here,
will-
yeah. Revenue
Revenue-
account also same. You can create. Yes.
Same only. Okay.
Same one. Okay. Right. Okay. So now here, when I'm posting the transactions, yeah. So before we can post any transactions, your accounting principles has to be defined. Otherwise, it will not allow you to post any transactions. Okay. For example, now suppose I'm in FB50. I'm in FB50. I'm trying to post one transaction. Yeah. So now here, my company code ZAPL. Okay. So all this data, whatever I am entering, which table it will go, guys?
AC Docker.
AC Docker. In AC Docker table, is it only this particular data is there or controlling data? All the data in one table we have?
All the data in one
All
table.
the, all the data you have. Correct. So here, without giving controlling data, if I am giving anything, na? Yeah, if I'm not giving accounting principle wise, I'm not giving ledger wise, I'm not giving, it will stop me here. Yeah, you see now. So suppose I'm trying to give what is the date today as per system, it is 2002.
20.
Okay, let me give 20 only as per system date. I will go 20th February we are in. Okay, now I will give the date. Bank account 2 lakh, share capital account 1 lakh,
1 lakh.
right? Okay, debit, credit, and I will put some account, some amount, yeah, 5 lakhs. Okay, so I'm trying to post this transaction, yeah. So now, when I am trying to save this entry, I will get error. What error? Universal journal. I am not able to get the total data, it will say. Okay, because universal journal linked to AC Doka. AC Doka, many fields are there. All the fields data are we getting here? No, not getting. No? So system will say, you did not tell me principal wise, ledger wise, controlling wise, not information, not there. No? Okay, you see now when I try to save, I will get error. I will get one error. Yeah, note down this error. Note down this error, guys. Note down this error. Note down this error. Don't write all of it, just write this one. Okay. So what is this is I need to tell what ledgers I have, what kind of principle I am following for each ledger, which ledger I will use for controlling. Controlling data will come into which ledger. I should say all that. Okay. Okay, right on. Now here we have two additional steps. Okay, are you able to see my notepad?
No, sir.
Noted.
You are able to see my notepad?
Not yet, sir.
No, for me it's not.
Still we are able to see your SAP screen.
Mhm. You are able to see now enterprise structure I am typing.
Still no, not sir.
Okay.
Better reshape, sir.
Yeah, now you can see.
So for me still that
Yes,
now
now
only
now
is
now we are
okay,
able
sir.
to see.
Yes.
Okay. So here first thing what we understand, we are doing enterprise structure for, we are doing enterprise structure for, we are building structure for FI and CO together, correct? They have been brought together, more closure. Yeah, FI and CO, FI and CO have been bought. FI and CO more closer to each other, correct? Because we are creating the cost element and in the GL only. Yeah. Okay. We are creating cost element at the time of GL creation. Correct? Yeah. Right. Next. Okay. So now additional steps for enterprise structure in S4 HANA, right? First one. We need to first step. Yeah. First step, right on. Let me go. First, I'll show you. Define accounting principles. Accounting principle for ledger. Right. Number 2. Define ledger for CO version. These two things we have to. 2 steps. So understand like this. This is like you have like 22nd step now. This is 23rd step. Okay. So what is our ledger here? Standard ledger. What is our standard ledger? What is the default ledger?
0.
0.
0 L.
Okay. These 2 steps when you do, then it will permit. Okay. Now. Okay, let's go, guys. Let me close this. Okay, I'm going to the screen now. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay, let me share the screen now. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm here now. Yeah. Now you tell me I will go to SPR, note on the path. Reference IMG, note on the path. For our step number 22. So here you go to financial accounting global settings, go to ledgers, here ledger, then you go to define settings for ledgers and currency types. Okay, define ledgers, settings and currency types. I'll give you the path, don't worry. Okay, press enter. Okay, so here our ledger is what? Our 0L ledger, no? So what is our 0L ledger? This one, right? Yeah,
Yes.
this is our 0L ledger. For this 0L ledger, we have our company codes, right? Okay, we have company codes. What is our company code? Position, right? What is our company code? Position. My company code is ZAPL. So my ZAPL, can you see here? Yes. So here, remember, in the company code when you are creating, we were having three currencies. Remember, company code currency, global currency, group currency, correct or not?
Yes.
And then we had only three currencies options, correct or not?
Yes.
But here you see there are so many, there are 10 currencies you can, different currency, you can enter like this. Is it clear? So in our ledger at that time, we were having only three currencies, OB22, remember? But in S4, you have so many currencies, F2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 2. Total how many currencies? 10 currencies. In ECC, how many currencies?
Three
Three
currencies.
currency.
Three. Company code currency, group currency and hard currency. Here how many currencies total? 10 currencies. What? Free definition. Free. You can define any currency. Is it clear?
Again.
Yeah, path I will show. Don't worry. Path I will show. So I'll select this. Click on, you see accounting principles for ledger and company code. Click on this. Accounting principle for ledger and company code. Define this. Click on this. Okay, here what is the accounting principle? I have to tell. Okay, new entries. What is my accounting principle? I will follow in my ZAPL company code. Okay, accounting principle. What I will follow? GAAP gap I will follow. Okay. Yeah, you see? IAS, IFRS, IFS. Correct or not? Indian accounting standard, whatever I can. Correct? UK generally accepted. Yeah. So I'm selecting some principle I will follow. No? This principle I will give you. Okay. So now save it. So I have specified for my ledger, for my company code, what principle I will follow. This is mandatory now. Okay. Save it. So in ECC, what was happening is before that they were posting all the entries, later on realizing, no, I did not give accounting principle. Correct. So to avoid that, they made this mandate. Now I need to specify the accounting principle for my company code. Without that, I'm not allowed to do the postings. Okay, path I will show now. Go back, close this, go back. Can you see? Path. Yeah, not. So financial accounting, SPRO, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, ledger, define settings for ledgers and currency types.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So you went here. After going there, you selected your main ledger, 0L ledger. Then you clicked on company code settings. Then you press enter, whatever messages you are getting. Then you position yourself, give your company code, that is your ZAPL. ZAPL company code you give. ZAPL company code you give. Then you select this, click on accounting principles. Then you give new entries and you give. Okay, this is step number 22. Okay, 23 I am showing. One more, two additional steps. No? Okay, so let me go back. Let me go back. Let me go back. And here close this. Go to controlling. Now FICO together. No? Okay, general controlling. Then we have organization in that. Okay, here we have organization. Here we have define ledger for CO version. Now down the path. Define ledger for CO version. Define ledger for CO version. Go like this, define ledger for CO version. Click on this. Here I will click on new entries and I give. Okay. Okay, what is my controlling area? My controlling area is ZAPL. Correct? Good. What version I am in now? 0 version. What ledger I am in now? 0L ledger, right? Correct?
Yes.
0L it is. L, no? It looking like 1, but it is L. Okay, press enter now. So I am telling in controlling area also I will use same ledger. Correct? But see, because CO data also coming to AC Doka, na? You understand the problem here? So FI data, ledger data, CO data, all in one place. So that's why I have to say what is the which data, which ledger data, CO data going into which ledger. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, can you show the back screen once?
Okay. So let me save this. Let me save this. Press enter. Go back. Enter. Save it. Here. This is the part. Here you click on new entries and you give. Here, define ledger for CO version. You go now. You go there. Then you click on new entries. And then yellow warnings will come. Here, when you press enter yellow warnings, then it is press enter for all the yellow warnings. Then 0, then you give your 0L. 0L it is, not. Okay. 0L. Okay, now, so I did now? Yes. Okay, so I already created this. ZAPL is already there. You see? Already there. Next. Now I will try now. All the AC Docker related requirement I have Universal General AC Docker related, I have completed all the requirements. Yes. So now let me try to post again, na FB50. Previously I got error, right? Okay, so let me try to post now. 28th today. As per system, I'm giving my back date 2 lakh, 1 lakh. Debit I am giving, credit I am giving, and I am giving my currency 5 lakh. Put star na here. Star and okay, so I'm posting my transaction. Okay, post it. Customizing settings. Somewhere it is missing. That is our KNK related issues. Okay. So we need to see why that KNK data is not there. Okay, correct the, make sure 0C ledger group have the same name. Some other people, it is 03 ledger is come. You see, company code has been created for 03, OE ledger, OL ledger. This is A2 ledger, E7 ledger. So OC ledger problem is coming. But for all these, I did not create some parallel ledgers are there, guys, on top of 0L. Yeah. So all these are creating problems. Okay, note down these ones. What are not ours? What are not ours, guys? 0C not ours, no? 0E also not ours. A2 not ours. E7 not ours. R1 is also not ours, right? These are not related to us. Why should we even bother about them? Oh, okay, so what I do now? Go now.
Sir, one
Slash.
second. Not
Yeah, so the error may not be same for everybody. So you just
Yes.
have to understand these are parallel ledgers, you see, that are created on top of 0L. Yeah. Okay. So there are some parallel ledgers that have been created here on top of 0L. That's why the issue is coming with a 0C ledger. Something is missing. Okay, so what I do now, let me go there, slash an SPRO, slash an SPRO, reference IMG. Then I go to my enterprise, my financial accounting. Then I go to my ledgers, ledger. Then I go to my ledgers. I don't want the ledgers that I am not in. So click on this. Okay. So click on this one. Okay, press enter. So now I'm saying 0C ledger. No? This is the one, right? 0C. This is what is creating the problem. So select this, click on company code settings. Press enter. Here I will give my company code. Now what is my company code? ZAPL. So I don't want this now for this ledger in 0C. I don't want my company code to be there. No? So I will remove this, select this, delete. Kada, I don't want somebody to force on me. No? Whatever ledgers I want, I will have, right? So let me delete this. Delete my company code, save it. Okay, done. So 03, 0C I have removed. Next, what are the other things that are not relevant to us? Okay. We have like 0E, na? Go back. Go back. 0 is also not mine. No? I'm not maintaining that ledger. Select this, click on company code settings for ledger. So press enter. What is my company code position? What is it? ZAPL. I don't want, no? So 0E. Okay. 0E is not there, no? 0E, it is not there. No problem. What is the other one? Go back.
A2.
Okay. Position A2, na? A2. So A2 is there. Let me select whether my company code is there or not. Position A2. A2. Sorry. Position my ZAPL, na? My ZAPL. It is there in A2. Not relevant to me. What I do, select this. Click on delete. I don't want this data to go into somebody else's ledger, na? Right. Okay. Press enter. Okay. So now what is the other one? Go back. E7, something was there. E7, this one. Select this, click on company code. Yeah, E7 and R1. No? Okay, so all this. No, we are going into the ledger, right? In the ledger, I am defining the company. This deleting the company code, right? So select this, click on delete. Save it. Okay, then what is the other one we have?
R1.
Okay, so then go back. Go back, we have R1. So R1 is there. Select this, click on company code settings. Press enter. Now position, my company code is ZAPL. Enter, select this, and then do what? Delete. Save it. Over. Now I just have a doubt. Na? Is it 0E or OE? Na? Because it was showing error na, somewhere. Is it OE or 0E?
In that company code was not there. Zero.
It was not there. Yeah. So 0E or OE. Position OE. OE is not there. Okay. 0E was there. Okay. Let me see. Select this. Let me check once again. Company code setting. Position. What is my company code? ZAPL. Yeah. Is it there? It's not there. No worries. Save it. So let me see whether the problem is solved or not. So unnecessary ledgers are on top of my company code. No, I don't want my data to go there. So let me go there. Let me go and give FB50 once again. My company code, date I am giving today. My GL account I am giving bank and share capital, debit and credit. Na? And then I am giving like this. Put star here. Yeah. Okay. So now I am trying to post. Let us see if any error coming also we can resolve. No need to worry. See? That is it clear? So if some ledgers are on top of your 0L, that connection, because you're also using 0L, system was trying to take the data, your data into other ledgers, which you have not created. So I removed it. It is working fine. Is it clear, guys? Yeah. So this is it.
Real time this issue will come, sir, because of
No. Here, because other people are also there on the server, they are creating there. So if you create and you want to take the data in your ledgers, then that's fine. Accept it. Is it clear? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. So we'll stop here for today. Tomorrow we'll continue. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Sir, will you see the document?